Alright guys, so first things first, before I start this little short, I'm just gonna say that instead of posting like videos every like month, like a crap ton of videos, I'm gonna post a few videos every week. I'll say 3. But this video, as y'all can tell by the title, is going to be wooden pickaxe. I mean, not wooden pickaxe, sorry. This. It's a screwdriver. So I'm gonna try this. So let's see how this goes. So, yeah. I think the screwdriver's win. I'm gonna carve a little tree in this. This is what you're made of. I'm horrible at carving in wood. Okay. I've been sitting here for like so long and still could not even bust a chunk out of the wood. And unless I did. See that little weak spot? And I finally defeat the wood. I think I gotta find a weak spot in there. Yeah, nope. I think wood's unstoppable. Is wood really unstoppable? Yep. Wood, by far, man, you are unstoppable. Leave a like if you want me to try to actually destroy this wood.